How's it going? Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to take you through what I do to my hair to make it look respectable, make it look like it's been blow dried professionally, even though it hasn't. This is what I do when I literally have no money in my bank account, because I probably spent it all on makeup. So first thing I do before I put the hairdryer on my hair is use Kerastase Ciment Thermique. It works really, really well on my lengths, and then I blast through my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes tops because my hair really retains the wet so much. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you've really enjoyed this tutorial. This is just what I do to my hair. I know it's not a professional, it's not a professional speaking at all, but I just find this is what works for me when I can't afford to go and get a blow dry, even though I would love to get a blow dry every week. I just can't. So using a GHD is kind of the next best possible thing, or any straightener for that matter, I think will do. And yeah, hopefully you have found this really helpful. And if you would like to see more from me, I'll be putting up new videos every Saturday. So if you would like to like and subscribe to my channel, then please hit the bell button below. But yeah, so hopefully you like this video, and thanks for watching.